In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Confluence. Highlighting is a simple way to draw attention to key points, warnings, or action items on a page. Let's walk through the process clearly so you can apply it with confidence and keep your content easy to scan. Start by opening the Confluence page where you want to emphasize something. Make sure you're on the exact page that needs the change. If you don't see editing controls later on, you may need edit permissions for that space or page. Next, click Edit. You'll usually find this at the top right, often shown as a pencil icon. Once you're in editing mode, you should see the toolbar appear above your page content. That's where all the formatting tools live, including the highlight option. Now, select the text you want to highlight. Click and drag across the exact words or sentence. Take a moment to be precise here. Avoid grabbing extra spaces or punctuation you don't want highlighted. If you need fine control, hold Shift and use your arrow keys to adjust the selection so it looks clean. With the text selected, click the text color or highlight option in the toolbar. In many Confluence editors, this appears as an A icon with a color bar or a highlighter marker. If you don't see it right away, look for an overflow or more options button. Sometimes the highlight controls are tucked away there. Choose the highlight color you want to use. Pick a color that stands out without overpowering the page. A soft yellow is a classic choice because it keeps the text readable, but you can use other colors if they match your team's conventions. Think about contrast and accessibility. Your highlight should make text easier to notice, not harder to read. Consistency helps too. Using the same color for the same purpose across pages makes your content more professional. Take a moment to review the highlighted text to make sure it looks correct. Scan the page, check links that sit on highlighted text, and confirm the color works in headings, paragraphs, and tables if you used it there. If something feels too loud or too faint, select it again and adjust the color until it feels right. When everything looks good, publish the page to save your changes. Click Publish or Update at the top right and your highlight will be visible to everyone with access to the page. That's it. Simple, effective highlighting in Confluence to make your content pop.